ये झुमका ही है, ऐसे ऐसे आवाज आती है। ASMR because ये वाला मैंने मजे मजे में लिया था। I don't have any script. I'm going to regret because prayer and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Actually, it's my first video, so in today's video, I'm going to share my few favorite earring and choker pieces, and each of them cost me less than $1 or under 100 rupees. So the first earring that I have is beautiful design, peacock design. I don't know if you can see it or not, but they look so beautiful. I'm sorry if my camera quality is not good, and please ignore the background. I was outside, but then I came inside. Look at this. They look so beautiful. The next one I have are these. Has peacock design. I don't know why. Let me show you. They look so good. So moving on to the next, I'm going to show you. Which one should I show you? This one. These are so cute. It also has a peacock and नीचे इसके क्या है ये? I think beads. I don't think so. It's pearls, but it looks like this. मैं सारे इयरिंग्स एक एक करके बैक कैमरे से भी दिखाऊंगी तो ताकि डिजाइन समझ में आए. अभी तो नहीं आ रहा. Next I have these. I think these are jhumkas and it also has peacock design. I'm laughing because I don't know that I have so many peacock. One. Should I wear it like this? इस वाले कान. I think cost me under 40 or 50 rupees. I don't remember it exactly because they are so old. You can clearly see they are not new. But I also have one more jhumka. I think ये झुमका ही है. Look, this is looking so gorgeous. Don't you think so? Let me wear it. Oh, please don't judge because I don't know how to do vlogging. They are looking so cute. They are looking good. Okay, I'm going to show you. These just cost me 10 rupees. I don't know. मैंने इनको कभी पहना नहीं है क्योंकि मुझे आज तक कभी ड्रेस ही नहीं मिली इनके साथ पहनने के लिए. आई थिंक इसके साथ जा रहे हैं. 10 रुपए के थे इसलिए संभाल के रखे हैं. इसके जैसे एक और है, वो भी दिखाती. ये तो 10 रुपए की है तो ये इनका काला होना बनता है. जस्ट 10 रुपीज फॉर दीज. बट एज यूजुअल मुझे नहीं पता था मुझे किसके साथ पहनने, इसलिए मैंने इनको कभी पहना ही नहीं. और ये धीरे धीरे ब्लैक होते जा रहे हैं. मुझे ऐसे बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं जिनमें से ऐसे आवाज आती है. I think after this video I'm going to regret because पता नहीं क्यों मैंने आइडिया सोचा कि पहन के देखेंगे. चलो जो भी है पहन लिया. शौक तो पूरे करनी है. Can you hear the sound? They will look good when you are wearing something minimal. I think minimal, yeah. Simple kurti, they can go with them very well. It's looking good. So I'm moving on to the next and look at this. It sounds like this. I don't know. Maybe this video will gonna be ASMR because of course it's my first video, so I don't know. I have nothing to say and I don't have any script. मैंने लिखी थी पर वो समझ नहीं आया क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट लिखने के बावजूद भी वो शायद उस तरीके से लगता नहीं कि आप कर पाओगे. They will look good with the western outfits, western dress. So you don't need to think because it has a design like this and it is in common color. Actually every earring that I have they are in common color, so I can pair them with most of my outfits. So next one, they are one of my favorite. I don't know why. Where you don't want to look so extra and just want something minimal, so definitely the best choice till now for me. Like this, literally the design that it has on, it's nice. I can show you. Okay, next I have दे आर इन गोल्डन. मैंने इनको पहना था लहंगे के ऊपर. अभी तो मैंने बहुत सारे पहन लिए, पर ये डेफिनेटली बहुत ज़्यादा दुखने वाला. मुझे जल्दी मिल गया. कैन यू सी? पता नहीं मेरे पास साड़े टेढ़े क्यों है. ज़्यादा देर के लिए पहनोगे नहीं लगेगा कि हाँ बहुत भारी है या ये तुम्हारे टाइप का नहीं है. आई थिंक दीज आर फ्रॉम द गिफ्ट. मुझे जल्दी से जल्दी वीडियो ख़त्म करनी है. लुक, I barely like butterflies, but they're not looking good on me. Of course, these are gifts for my sister, so I'm not gonna wear them. Two, I'm going to show you. These are on daily basis. If you want, like if you're wearing something like this, you can wear them. They are looking nice. Okay, move on to the wrong decision of wearing all earrings. But आधी वीडियो बन चुकी है तो अब क्या करें? As a collection, I can say that I have peacock design. Oh, they're looking good. I think with this outfit they are going. So I'm done with the earrings and I have 4 things more to show you, and those are chokers. So wait. So the first choker that I'm showing you is this. Look, it has a design of something like this. So if you're going to wear it, it will gonna look good with sari or something minimal and simple, and wearing something like this. It has these type of earrings. I don't know why, but I like it. This cost me around 100, like 100 rupees. Every single thing. They are from the local market near my house. Market means that Monday market, Tuesday market, Wednesday market. So I'm also having those market in my area. So the next one is my favorite. I don't know why. This one is my favorite. Can you see? And this one is looking good with my. ये मुझे पहली नज़र में बहुत पसंद आ गया था. और इसमें पर्स है तो पता नहीं इनको पर्स कहते हैं या पता नहीं क्या कहते हैं, पर look, imagine royal blue sari and wearing this type of choker set. I don't know, but I like it. So let's move on to the one. I bought it for my sister because she has a dress that she wanted to pair and design. It has a beautiful design. It has earrings like this. All chokers I'm showing to you. They cost me 100 rupees. ये वाला मैंने मजे मजे में लिया था. मुझे खुद नहीं पता था मैं किसके साथ पेयर करूँगी, पर अब ले लिया तो कुछ किया नहीं जा सकता. सिमिलर ऐसा ही बिल्कुल सेम मेरी मम्मी के पास है, ग्रीन कलर का. उतारने के बाद इस पर कुछ ऐसा डिज़ाइन है. मुझे पता नहीं था किसके साथ पेयर होगा, पर मैंने फिर भी ले लिया. Oh, I have one more earring. Let me show it to you. Like literally, they are just 10 rupees. It look good on daily basis if you're going office, going class, or anywhere. So the final thing like this also cost 100 rupees. So all like I have 4 choker set, and they all cost me 100 rupees. All stuff earrings that they cost me around 40 to 60, like in the under 60. But these one मुझे 10 रुपए की पड़ी. This one for 40. This one for 40. Expensive earring. This one. I don't know why. 80 in between 80 or 120. 80 or 120. So yeah. I know the video is little boring, but it's my first video, so if you find any mistakes, so please ignore it. I'm going to show all the earrings from the back camera so you can clearly see their designs. So So I hope you enjoyed my not so expensive jewelry collection. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And not so expensive jewelry collection. Jyoti collection?